Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a quick update here on Pepe. Wanted to do a full update. Yesterday was relatively strong, even though it may not look like that, but still, I'll tell you why. All right, and we'll look at that. We'll talk about what that means and just in general what to expect today. So that's what we'll do. We will do a full update and just in general, I'll try to tell you everything you need to know. So if you look at Pepe right there, even though, like, regardless of what I said about its reaction yesterday, which we'll still talk about in a moment, the overall trend for Pepe is still down, right? So, I mean, if you look at this, we are in a downtrend, and I don't necessarily think that this downtrend is going to end. I would say it's very unlikely that this downtrend ends. However, even if you assume that this downtrend will hold up, then we still can have some nice bullish momentum, right? From the level we're at right now, if we go up to the top of this downtrend of this channel, then that's a 25% move. So that's pretty good. And what we saw yesterday, and I think that's the interesting part here, is that I think on the 1 hour time frame we actually look pretty good. We still need to get some sort of a breakout, right? If you look at the situation right now, I would say this level right here, between 9,500 and 10,000 is the main level to break. But if we break above that, then the situation all of a sudden, on the short term at least, looks quite good. And then apart from that, what we saw yesterday is that, first of all, on the 1 hour time frame, we are starting a little bit of an uptrend right here after a double top, which is a reversal pattern. And yesterday, after Bitcoin had a bit of a dump at 4 p.m. or whatever it was in the afternoon for me, maybe a different time zone for you. But Pepe was also one of the coins that recovered very, very quickly and very well. So that was good to see. That's also a bullish confirmation. You always want to bet on, and you want to kind of focus on the cryptos that are recovering best. That's also what we saw yesterday. I mean, yesterday after the dump, we gained quite a lot of momentum. To be completely honest, we're still gaining some momentum right here, right? So since yesterday morning, we've gained quite a lot of momentum. But relative to something like a bonk, the momentum for Pepe is less. So for me, the big question is all right, we're gaining momentum on the 1 hour time frame. The structure looks quite bullish. We had a double top. Those are all bullish confirmations. And then apart from that, what I also think is that Bitcoin is looking pretty bullish here. All right, it's not the strongest, but it's looking pretty bullish. So for me, the big question is all right, can Pepe actually break above this level right here and rally up to at least 11,000, maybe up to 11,500, but just in general on the short term turn bullish, because that is what we would like to see. And for now, I would say the most likely scenario is that we do not do that. All right, and that's for two reasons. First of all, the overall trend is down. So it's very tough to break the trend. And what you need is either some sort of an external influence that's very bullish, such as a more bullish Bitcoin, or it would be a lot of momentum. And Pepe has neither a lot of momentum right now, even though the momentum is bullish, nor is Bitcoin very bullish. So do I think we can do this? Yes. Do I think it's most likely? No. I think we need to see a breakout from Bitcoin above 58,400. If for whatever reason we see that, and we actually do get that momentum from Bitcoin, then I think that's enough of an external factor to, in light of what we've seen from the last 24 hours from Pepe, say that it's most likely will break out and rally up higher. So wait for that, all right? Wait for the confirmation. Otherwise, like I said, it's most likely we'll just bounce off of that level and drop back down to our support right here around 7,500. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.